Created and highly debated congressional district map will once again need to be argued in court.
Today, the Supreme Court decided not to rule on whether to uphold the map, but instead, the court wants the case re-argued.
Mike McDaniel explains what it all means for Louisiana and the country.
It's a map born out of debate, compromise, and a court mandate that found itself before the Supreme Court.
For Louisiana, for the congressional map, nothing has changed.
The High Court took up a legal dispute to determine whether Louisiana's congressional map was constitutional. Instead of ruling, the court wants to hear more arguments, keeping the map in place for now.
It's an unusual step for the Supreme Court to punt a matter to the following term. It shows that the court is very closely divided.
The court's majority decision is just 2 sentences. The next 6 pages are a dissent from Justice Clarence Thomas. WWL political analyst Clancy Dubose says it sets the stage for what could be a landmark decision.
I think that dissent kind of hints very strongly at the kinds of questions that the court once argued.
Dubose says a lot of that centers around Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act. That section prohibits voting practices or procedures that discriminate based on race. After a court mandate, Louisiana's congressional district map was redrawn and approved by state lawmakers last year. It added a second majority black district stretching from Shreveport down to Baton Rouge.
There's definitely an understanding of the significance of this case for the future of fair representation on jurisdictions throughout the country.
Sarah Roani at the Legal Defense Fund says the map gave black voters a more accurate representation. However, a group of non-African American voters sued, claiming the map was drawn based on race and is unconstitutional. The group's attorney previously released a statement to WWL Louisiana saying, quote, "We are optimistic that this racial gerrymander is seeing its final days."
We are just waiting to hear back from the court.
With the map's future uncertain, Roani will once again help defend it. How it plays out could impact how districts are drawn across the country. Mike McDaniel, WWL Louisiana.